Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this is a shoe that I was able to get off the SNKRS app. So let's crack this open right here. And this is one of those shoes that actually did sell out from this on the SNKRS app. So I guess just a receipt from Nike right there. And here it is. You can see it's a black box. It is an Air Jordan box right there. You got the gold Jumpman right there. Got the Jumpman logo as well in the corner right there. Size 10, Air Jordan 1 Retro HI Equality. A colorway is black, white, and suggested retail is $145. And you got the 2-3 in the corner. So you can see this is the Equality Air Jordan 1. You got the 2-3 paper inside. Right there. And here is the shoe right here. So just a quick look at the shoe right here. So it's mostly a black and white shoe. And as you can see, you have Equality written at the bottom right here. You got the regular Air Jordan 1 logo bottom right there. Got the white swoosh. So the white is leather or synthetic leather. It's not really the best leather, you know, so most likely it is a synthetic leather to it. So it's not like shattered backboard quality or anything like that. So and then the black part over here is a suede material, which does feel nice. And then you have Equality in gold, which I believe is a nice touch right there. And since this is, I believe, a Carmelo Anthony, I guess, collab or shoe, it does have his logo on the tongue right there. You got the Air Jordan Wings logo like normal. And inside, let me see if we have it inside here. You have a gold Jumpman inside, and as far as your shoelaces, you do have gold tips on them, as you can see right here. And you do have a second set of laces in white, and those also have the gold tips as well. So it's just a dope, simple shoe, in my opinion. Clean. So. Alright YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Alright YouTube, peace out.